In this C++ video, we're going to be looking at string member functions and objects. If you want to know the length of the string, it's pretty easy. It's stored in the string object, and you can call the object's length memory function. So that's what we're doing in this part right here. So we have a string right here, it's California. We want to store the size, instead of size, the length of our string, which we do, and then we print it out. It is going to be this 10 right here. Should I have added spacing? Yeah, you're right, but I didn't. So we're going to keep going on pretending that I did. The next is string concatenation. To concatenate, we're going to use the plus operator. We basically append something to something else. So notice how we have string greeting hello, and then we have string name world. We can actually store this all in one variable by having these two strings be concatenated together, greeting and name, into a variable greeting name. And then we can print this out, greeting name. So I printed out hello world. I should have had more spacing, but hello world is printed out. And then we can do a plus equals, just like we did with addition, right? So greeting name could be hello world, and then we can append to it without making some new variable. We can just call it it's me, or we can call it greeting name still, right? And then we can assign it it's me. And this is going to append onto what we already have, which is hello world. And it's going to be hello world, it's me. And so we print out hello world, it's me. And that's the basics of string concatenation and how to use the dot length in C++. If you want more C++, check out that playlist in the description. It's right below the like button.